The section 6 of the yellow wallpaper starts with another obsessive description of the wallpaper and its pattern. The narrator mentions that how the color of the wallpaper is hideous, but the pattern is torturing. The narrator further writes about her strange observation that only she observes. She writes that how the pattern looks different in the sunlight, but at night, the outside pattern becomes the bars, while the woman behind it is as plain as can be. The woman lies quiet by the daylight. The reason for this narrator's feels is the sub-pattern of the bars. Ahead in the story, the narrator mentions about the habit set up by John for her to lie for an hour after each meal. She condemns this habit, but cultivates deceit out of the fear of John. Further ahead, she caught him and Jenny several times looking at the wallpaper. Moreover, she caught Jenny with her hand on the wallpaper once. However, Jenny asked the narrator to be careful as he found yellow stains and smooches on her and John's clothes. This reaction of Jenny makes the narrator a bit skeptical and she determines to figure out the meaning of the wallpaper. In the section 6 of the story, the pattern metaphorically represents her condition. The woman in the wallpaper is the narrator, whereas the bars represent the confinement and foundations put upon her by her husband and the society. Therefore, the pattern in this story is a symbolic representation of asymmetrical relationship between a man and a woman.